Hi, it's Awning Alice here from James Robert Shaw. Today we're going to be walking through how to adjust the pitch for the Bobcat Folding-Arm Awning. For this walkthrough, you will need a spirit level, a 5mm Allen key, a 13mm spanner and a 17mm ratchet. We also advise that there are 2 people present when adjusting the pitch. Send your awning out to its maximum projection. Firstly, we will need to remove the end cap that covers the lateral end. You may need to remove your bracket fixing bolts to do this. This will require a 13mm ratchet. Once you have removed the end cap, reattach the bracket fixing bolts. Once removed, you will find the bolts that will adjust your pitch. Loosen the bolts with a 17mm ratchet, whilst the second person supports the fascia. Do not fully undo the bolts. Direct the person that's holding the fascia to raise or lower to your desired position. Once you are happy with your pitch, tighten your bolts. Ensure that you make the same appropriate adjustments to the other side. Using a spirit level, check your pitch is level and at your desired angle. Close your awning and refit your end cap. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any further questions or inquiries, please visit our website at www.jamesrobertshaw.co.uk or alternatively, give our sales team a call on 01204 574 764. I'm Awning Alice, over and out.